In this video, we are diving into the PPSSPP Gold emulator, and I will be showing you guys on how to play your favorite PSP games on Android with the best graphics and performance. This is a full start to finish guide, so make sure to stay to the end of this video. First, start by opening your Play Store app or your App Store and then search for PPSSPP. Now make sure that you download this Gold emulator, because on this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to actually use this Gold emulator. Now there's actually a free emulator and there's also a Gold emulator, but this Gold emulator actually gives a little bit of boost when it comes to graphics and performance and stuff like that. So once you are done downloading this PPSSPP Gold emulator, simply open the emulator. Now once your emulator opens for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder, so simply click on OK and then go ahead and choose any folder that you want it to use in your main directory. So as for me, I normally like it using my document folder, so I'm going to click on document and then I'll click on use this folder, then I'll click on allow. Then I simply click on OK, so that it's going to open the PPSSPP interface. Now you can see that everything is totally open now, but there's no game to play. So now I have to show it where my game files are. Now your game file can actually be a zip file or a RAW file or 7Z file, so it actually depends. So simply click on browse, and then once I click on browse, I'm going to show it where my game files are. Now my game files are in my download section, so this is where my game files are, so you can see that. So I'm going to be clicking use this folder, then allow. Now that I've actually done this, you see that all the games are actually showing in here, but they are actually a zip file, so they are not playable yet. So in order to play these games, I have to install it. So for this video, I'm going to be installing this game in here, which is I think Dragon. Yeah, so I'm going to be installing this game. So once you tap on any game, simply click on install. You can see it in here. Click on install. So once you click on install, just give it a little bit of a moment for it to actually finish the installation process. Now right now it is actually done installing. To know that it's done installing, you see the installed, you can see the text in there saying installed, so that means it is done installing. So now let's press the back button and go to, you can actually see it here. Now you can see the game is actually fully playable now. So we're actually going to be playing this game to see that everything is actually working. Now you will need some settings that are going to give you the best performance and best graphics as well, and I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to recommend that at the end of this video. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you can get the best PPSSPP emulator settings that is going to even further boost your graphics and your performance. Now let's play this game and see how it goes.
Don't hold back. Round one. Fight!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.